Tired of paying full price every time you shop online? What if I told you there is a snaky little app that finds coupon codes automatically, like your personal discount ninja? Stick with me and I will show you exactly how to create an account on the Honey app in less than 60 seconds. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video and let's start the video. First of all, download the app from the App Store or your Google Play Store, and once you install, open the app and you will see a warm welcome screen. Now you have to sign up. Tap Google, either Apple ID or any of the option. Then then do whatever the app wants from you and tap continue. That's it. You now have access to automatic coupon codes, Honey Gold rewards, and all the sweet savings your wallet could ever dream of. Now enable auto apply coupons in settings to let Honey do all the work while you sip your coffee. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.